All right, welcome back to TripleT Perspective. We've got another bike sent to us here from Eskute. I'm going to read it off so I don't miss nothing. This is a Eskute D300. This is one of their new foldable bikes. I'm not going to show the whole putting it together. I'm just going to give you the breakdown of the details of the bike, and then I'm going to put it together and we'll take it for a test ride. So, this has the 48 volt, 20.4 amp hour battery. So this one says it'll go 80 miles. It'll go up to 28 miles an hour. It has the standard 7-speed Shimano. It has the 20x4 tires. This one versus their other one that was foldable had the 3. This has the 4-inch tires. I like that a lot better. This one's 77 pounds. So it's built solid. It's carbon steel. And it has the mechanical disc brakes. But it says that, I believe it says it'll carry 360 pounds or something like that. So, yeah, that's the most important details on it. It has the standard LCD display, and this one does have the NFC for the turning it on. All theirs have those. The speed sensor. The charger's a 54.64 volt, 2 amp, so it takes about 6 or 7 hours to charge. I've already got the battery out charging. So this is the bike. I've cut the fender loose, but battery goes there. And it has all your other components in here. Axle, the tool, everything you need to put it together. And that's what I'm fixing to do. I'm going to put it together, then we're going to take this thing out for a spin because I'm actually pretty excited to go ride this bike because I like foldable bikes. They're easy to take. Throw them in a tote in the back of an SUV or a truck, even a big trunk of a car, and you can go ride anywhere. So I'm excited to get this one together and see how it rides. So as soon as I get it together, we'll jump back in and we're going to go take it for a ride. So, all right, we got it all put together. So this is the D300, the Eskute D300. So this has the 1200 watt peak motor and the 48 volt, 20.8 amp hour battery. And the battery, you raise the seat like this. Just got it fully charged. First time putting it in, so bear with me. Oh. There we go. Got little grooves, there's 3 of them. Put it in there and then lock it in. It's got a little button here you can check. See, you can check the power on it right there. I'm not going to leave the key in it. Power it on. Uh-oh. Oh, got to turn the power button on. Put my little deal in there. Got a power button on the side. So there you go, it's on. And then your seat flips back down. So you don't have to leave the key in it. You can charge it on the bike or off the bike. But get in there. I'll say it was pretty easy to put together. The rack was very spread out on the front, so it was a little tougher, but I got it. Other than that, I'm going to fold it. I've never folded this bike. The only foldable bike that I've done had the battery in it. All right, now that you can see it right here, take 2. You got to pull this out. and it releases right here. So once you go from there, unlatch it, pull up, and it releases this little deal right here, and then it folds. So, and it has a handle, which is pretty convenient, but it's got the little resting spot in the front. You just set it down, but you can also fold your handlebars down. So anyways, this one's a little different than what I was accustomed to. It has a safety lock. See, it pops down in right there, which is good if, I guess, you don't lock it good. Then you just pull it up when you bring it back, put it back in place, and there you go. So this one, I'll say I need to straighten my handlebars, but it's a little more compact here. So, but we'll air the tires up and I'm gonna take it for a ride. All right, first thing I noticed is that reflector is noisy. So I'm gonna take the reflector off, so I know what that little noise is. Notice that right away. This has the little half throttle, which I like that. And we're going to test the speed. We're in pedal assist 2. It says 15.7 miles per hour. The camera a little wobbly. Need a new stick for it. My handlebars are a little off. I need to straighten that up, tighten my brakes a little more. But I'll probably raise my seat. But it rides good so far. Handles really well. I like the big tires on it, you know, being a 20x4, being a smaller bike. I don't know if you can hear that little bit of clatter, but that's what that is. It's a little reflector on pedal assist 3. Let's see how long we can pedal. Probably gonna be about 22. It's a little windy. Yep. Pedal assist 5. So it's 26. We're going into the wind. All right, let's test the speed. We got a little bit of wind, so it says 28. See how close we get to 28 and how close our speedometer is. But I'm going into the wind here. I'm gonna turn around and go back. Speedometer says 23, 24, 25, 26. We had a full charge. Nice little storms. This is a hardtail. Doesn't have rear suspension, and I am pedaling, yeah. Get us going a little bit. So 23. .3. See how she turns. Oh, now we're in the wind. Yeah. Right now we're at 26. But, you know, that's pretty close for me. I'm a big guy. Pretty good looking little bike too. But yeah, it's a pretty good looking bike. All black. So far, it rides good. It's got brake light, tail light, headlight. Does have the horn. Beep beep. I don't know if you can see the brake light or not. Yeah, can you see it? I didn't get all the plastic off.
Oops.
Oops. Lights are on. It's got the 4 LEDs in it. I like the full fender. Like that one there and this one here. Both of the Eskute, all the Eskutes seem to have that full fender to come down to here. Protects the back of the bike if you get in mud. So I like that. But here's the button on the back. You can push and it shows your charge. Also has it on the display here. It's got your display. This thing has your watts too. That right there is how many watts you got. 52.2. This is a 48 volt battery, but it charges up to 54. So, alright, let's go ride it around the trail real quick. See how it does. Alright, we're gonna head it down to the trail. See how it rides. We were trying to compare speeds because we know that bike there is dead on.
Give me full throttle?
No, I want you to stay beside me.
Well, I'm going 18. I'm at full now.
You're 18?
Yeah.
Mine shows 19. So this one may be a little bit off.
I'm 18 flat. Oh, 18
I know
too.
that one's on. We've tested it. See how fast you go down here. Let's test her out. This will just be our initial ride. We'll get some more riding on this one. I'm only in 4. Let's go to 5. I think the speedometer may be a little bit off compared to hers. No hands. Shows 27.9. A little bit of wind though. Turn around. Ride's pretty smooth. Ride's smooth. These bigger tires though, these big tires, they ride better. The bigger tire bikes, they ride better.
They ride smoother.
This is where we always come. But yeah, you'll see more videos. This just be the initial review on this thing. This thing just came right out of the box. I haven't rode it. Haven't done nothing with it. Got the battery charged full. So, and we brought it out for a spin just to check it out. Airplane. And but if there'll be a link to this bike So if you use our code TripleT, you'll save $15 on the Eskute's website. For any of their bikes, use our code. So, but we're going to circle it around and then see how the front suspension does. But that noise is definitely that reflector. I don't know if maybe I need to tighten it or take it off. So, but this one doesn't have rear suspension, so maybe I'll put a, you know, suspension seat post on it or something to help for the rear. But so far, the factory seat, not too bad. Could be a little wider, but not too bad. So, but we're gonna spin it around and then show y'all around the trail on it, and then head back in. Put this thing in pedal assist 1. This would be like a leisure. If I want to ride this bike, I want to be able to cruise easy. So pedal assist 1 is showing 7 miles an hour. 2 jumps up, really gets after it. Shows 15.7. So I don't know if these pedal assist levels are adjustable or not, but I may look at it and see, but probably not. This trail is very bumpy, so, and when you, if you're pedaling or if you're doing throttle and then you pedal and then stop pedaling, it stops. But other than that noise from the light, ride's fairly good. There's no adjustment on the front suspension. So I'll definitely fix that for the next time we ride. And the throttle is a variable speed. How you doing? Yeah, the throttle is a variable speed, so I can go to pedal assist 4 here and show you. It's not an all or nothing. I can speed up or slow down. That's nice. Some of the thumb throttle ones are not variable speed throttles, and not all the half twist style, motorcycle style are either. But it's nice because you can ride with somebody else at a different, if your speeds are different, you can adjust your speed. You can hold your throttle there at their speed and pedal like that and keep the speed that you want, but still pedal, which makes it nice to be able to ride with somebody else with a different style bike.